Making $25,000 in just 1 month is a huge achievement, but with the right strategy, mindset, and actions, it's completely possible. Step 1. To reach $25,000 in a month, it's essential to focus on high-income opportunities like freelancing, e-commerce, consulting, and digital products. I focused on freelancing and e-commerce, leveraging platforms like Upwork and Shopify to connect with clients and customers. Step 2. Once you've identified your income sources, build a strategic plan by dividing the $25,000 goal into smaller targets. Set deadlines for completing tasks and prioritize those that will generate the highest income. Step 3. Generating $25,000 in a month requires active marketing and networking to attract clients. Reach out to potential clients through cold emails and leverage social media to showcase your work. Step 4. Deliver high-quality work and upsell additional services to significantly increase your earnings. Exceed expectations and offer complimentary services to clients for better results. Step 5. Reinvest part of your earnings back into your business, like advertising and outsourcing. Use the extra capital to scale your offerings and increase service capacity. Step 6. Keep track of your progress towards your goal and adjust your strategies if needed. Daily check-ins can help you stay accountable and measure your income generation. Step 7. Once you hit your $25,000 goal, take a moment to celebrate this milestone. Making $25,000 in a month is achievable with dedication and the right strategy. Stay focused and consistent.